Hey guys, so in my last video I made a video about upgrading the SSD inside the PlayStation 5 and apparently I didn't mount it correctly. So in today's video we're going to look at actually mounting the SSD drive correctly. So let's open it back up and actually have a look at this and see if I can find the tools to be able to mount it correctly. Basically we just need to open this panel back up. It's just sort of out and about. And I think what it is this thing. So this thing is the screw that sort of goes in, and I believe that's going to go here to be able to mount it. We need to get this 100 right here. We need to unscrew it, and the way to unscrew it is by putting it in. We want to go anti-clockwise. So basically that's the screw that we're going to need for this SSD installation basically. And then we also need this thing, which is also like a mount holder for the SSD, if that makes sense. So we've got two parts. So now we can actually connect it back in. So now got the cylinder in, boom, and then that just slides in, and then basically you want to screw in clockwise. Now the SSD is now mounted to the PlayStation 5. That's what it's going to look like when it's actually properly mounted. Like that. So basically you don't want it flapping out. Basically you want to keep it held tight, and you use this 100. You screw that in, anti-clockwise to take out and clockwise to put back in. And you're going to need a really small screwdriver. So I have this screwdriver kit and I use this really small end. Sweet. And now it's all back in and your SSD is officially mounted for your PlayStation 5. If you like this type of content, make sure that you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.